Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Xgene proteinX. In this tutorial video, I'm going to talk about how to draw XY graph and the group graph in Excel, and also how to get the straight line equation from the Excel graph, and also some other features. So let's begin. So first you have to open the Excel. So I already put some random value to draw a XY graph. So this is the for example, like this is the one group and this is the another group. So one is for X and one is for Y. So first you have to do what? Then first you have to do, like, you have to select this all of these values and then insert. So from here you find this option. So you have to click this one, and then you find there are different kind of style. So this one is like it's gonna connect all of the points. So click this one, then you find this kind of graph. So as you see in this figure that this is a straight line, and from here we can also rename it like concentration versus weight. So here also you can find, like, if you right click here in the straight line, then you might get this add trade line. So if you click here the add trade line, then you will get this kind of options. So here as you see here, there one window is pop up. So here as you see this figure that display equation on chart. So if you click this one, and also if you click this one, then it's showing the R square value as well as the X and Y this equation. So this is like R square equal to is completely 1. That's what it is, like Y equal to 10x. So if you change it little bit, this graph, like if you change it like 38, then it's gonna be changed. You see, this is not the 1, so it is less than little bit from the 1. Then you can get this kind of complete, like Y equal to mx plus c, this equation. So by this equation you can use, you can get the different value of this x or y. Alright, so this is how you can get the XY graph, and from here you can copy. If you right click and then you can copy, and if you copy and then you can paste anywhere, like Word file or PowerPoint, wherever you want. Okay, so then let's have a look that how to make the group graph. Like this one is 3 different group, so you can write down here A, B and C. So here what you have to do, you have to like same, you have to select all of the values and then insert, and then here you should find there are some group graph options. So here you have to click, and then you will find different kind of style. So if you go for this, and this is 3D value. Okay, so let's assume I go for this one. Alright, so here as you see there are 3 different group, right? So this is A, B, C. So you can rename also here, like A, B, C you can do. So this is like, if you take your cursor here, so you can see that which value is which graph. So this is 23. So this is for each number that each graph you can get. And also from here you can copy and paste anywhere. Also you can rename it here. And if you would like to do like mean value, if you want to get the mean value and then you want to get the only single graph, then you have to make the mean value, and then you can get the graph. So for that you have to, if you could like, you could do like, if you can calculate the mean value, so what you have to do, like this value and then this, alright, and then versus 3. So dot, first you have to press the equal to and then sum, and then double click, and then here you have to select this one and then bracket, then divide by, so 3 values, so number 3, then you will get the mean value. So this is the mean value, mean. And also here also same, this and then sum, then click here, double click, so here again select this all, then close the bracket, divide by 3 numbers, so number 3, so you will get the mean value. So here also sum, click here, close the bracket, and this, no, this is something wrong, so let's do it again. This sum, divided by 3. Alright, so this is the mean value. So now you can, if you go for this, the group graph, then you will get the only single graph. So this is the single graph. So for this, if you would like to do only single graph, then you have to calculate the mean value before, and then you have to go for this group graph. Then you can rename it, and then you can rename it here also. And if you would like to change the color, you can change the color as well, fill and different kind of things. Alright, so this is all about this Excel graph. And also here, if you take your cursor in this XY graph, you can understand that which line is which. Like, so this is, if you go for this one, so you see series 1 straight line. Alright, so this is 0.00 series, so this is the straight line, that's all. So alright, so this is all about the Excel graph. So I hope this video will be helpful. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks.